Hi all, welcome to another fantastic session of Puzzle Box. So, in the previous session, we had talked about cubes, that is how cubes can be created from cuboids. Today, we are going to look for dissecting cubes, that is cubes को काटना है, खट 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 खट, and we shall be getting smaller cubes, and then we will analyze कि उनके कितने faces painted हैं और कितने ऐसे cube हैं जिन पे कोई paint नहीं लगा. So it's a very interesting variety which we are going to explore today. But we shall be starting with out of the box puzzle. In the previous session also I had discussed one. So let's move on to the out of the box puzzle. Now the puzzle says how can we draw a cube with one line? Means you have to draw a cube with one line. I'm not saying that line can turn. It's a simple straight line. So the question demands how can we draw a cube with straight line? Well, many of you must be thinking, भाई cube तो 12 line से बनता है. So how can we draw a cube with one line? Well, as the name says, it is out of the box puzzle. तो थोड़ा हट के सोचना है, box से बाहर निकलना है. So the puzzle demands one line, one cube, and it is possible. Because if you have attended the previous session, you know how to do it. So let's do it. Puzzle. I am repeating the puzzle. The puzzle says, how can we draw a cube with one line? So here it is. What I will do is, I will draw just one line. That is 1. And when I say 1, it's a cube. It's a cube of 1. But many of us were thinking that cube means a three-dimensional cube. Whereas a cube can be a number cube also. That is, cube of 1 is 1. I hope you all must have enjoyed this puzzle. This is out of the box puzzle. Because you were thinking about cubes only, that is actual three-dimensional cubes. That's why you were unable to get onto this. Many were thinking that we need to draw a cube like this. Well, that was not the case. Cubes can be numeric also, right? Now, let's start with the journey of dissecting the cubes. Now, every cube has got 6 faces. We all know that. 8 corners, 12 edges or sides, and then 2 body diagonals. So if this is some cube, we can simply say that these corners are 8 in number. You can see 4 right now, 4 in the back, so they are 8 in number. Next we have got faces. This is one face, this is the second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face, sixth face. So totally 6 faces are there, 8 corners are there, 12 edges are there. Edges means these sides. You can see right now 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 12 sides are there. And then 2 body diagonals. Now body diagonals we are not going to explore in this lecture. We shall be discussing them in upcoming lectures. But there are 2 body diagonals, means connecting one corner of a cube to the another opposite corner. Moving ahead, we are talking about dissecting a cube. So here I have explained what a face is, what a vertex is, and what a edge is. I hope it must be clear to most of you. So now we can move on to डायसेक्टिंग अ क्यूब. पहले क्यूब को जानना जरूरी है. अब जिस चीज का डायसेक्शन करने जा रहे हैं उसके पैरामीटर्स पहले पता होना जरूरी है. नाउ वी नो दिस, सो वी आर मूविंग अहेड. वी नो व्हाट अ फेस इज, वी नो व्हाट अ वर्टेक्स इज, वी नो व्हाट अ कॉर्नर इज, वी नो व्हाट एन एज इज, वी नो व्हाट अ बॉडी डायगोनल इज. सो मूविंग अहेड. Now in front of you there is 6 by 6 cube. Well, this Rubik's cube is 3 by 3. This is 6 by 6. So we are going to experiment with this and we would be learning all concepts through this 6 by 6 cube. Well, now in front of you, you can see a painted cube. All sides have been painted. That is, this 6 by 6 by 6 cube has been painted with yellow color. Now, the special thing is, if you count how many total cubes are there, these are 216 in number, 216. How come it is 216? Well, if you are aware, the each side of this, you can say, cube is basically 6. So if I count 6 into 6 into 6, it comes out to be, that is 216. I hope it is clear to all. Any cube is divided into parts, and then when you count all the parts, you just go for the cube of the number of cubes present on one side. In our cube right now, 6 cubes are present on one edge. So the total is, that is 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. These are the total number of cubes. तो आज की सारी कहानी ये 216 क्यूब्स को ट्रेस करेगी, राइट? सो लेट्स मूव अहेड. We have got a big cube made up of 6 by 6 smaller cubes. Total small cubes are 216. So let's proceed. Now we are going to look for the types of cubes formed. कुल कितने तरीके के क्यूब्स बनते हैं, हम इस चीज को एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं. Well, as you can see, I have highlighted the corner cubes. And these are 8 in number. 7 I have highlighted. One is at the back, so that is not visible to you. These are corner cubes, right? If you will pick out one such corner cube, you will see that it has got 3 faces painted. It is very much visible. All 3 faces are painted, and 3 hidden faces which are not visible to you have got no paint. These cubes which are lying on the corners are known as corner cubes. These are generally 8 in number and they have got 3 faces painted. हम इसको डिटेल में भी समझेंगे. अभी पहले मैं आपको वैरायटी ऑफ क्यूब्स बता रहा हूं कि किस किस प्रकार के क्यूब होते हैं. So moving ahead. Second variety. Now the second variety is of those cubes which are lying on edges, जो sides पे हैं. Right now you can see 4 cubes per edge, right? Because the rest 2 are the corner cubes. Now if you count how many total edges are there, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, 4 in the vertical. So there are 12 edges, and on each edge there are 4 such cubes. So I will pick out one such cube. The moment I pick out one such cube, you can see 2 of its faces are painted, right? आपको visible है कि 2 face इसके painted हैं. Moving ahead, let's focus another variety. The variety which is lying on face of the cube. Now on the face you can see right now what I have marked is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means मैंने 16 cubes को एक square में trap किया है. Now if I pick any one out of these 16, you can see it's only one face is painted. It's only one face is painted. इसका सिर्फ एक face painted है. तो मैंने यहाँ से क्या जाना? There are 3 varieties of cubes right now in front of me. One which are at the corner, they have got 3 face painted. Then one which are lying on the edges, they have got 2 face painted. And the third variety which is on the face has got only one face painted. But इसके अलावा भी एक fourth variety है which is छुपा रुस्तम. छुपा रुस्तम means वो सभी क्यूब्स जो अंदर छुपे बैठे हैं. भाई किसके अंदर छुपे बैठे हैं? Well, if I talk of this Rubik's cube, और अगर आप इसको गलती से तोड़ दें या ये टूट जाए, you will see one small cube inside this cube. Means इस Rubik's cube के सेंटर में आपको एक क्यूब नजर आएगा. But in case of my question, where I have got 6 by 6 by 6, अगर आप ये outer wall हटा दें, then inside there is a big cube which is hidden and it is not visible. उस पे तो पेंट लगा ही नहीं, because हमने तो पेंट outer surface पे किया. So no paint is there on that particular cube which is hiding inside this cube. उसको हम बोलते हैं छुपा रुस्तम. तो अब जरा उस छुपे रुस्तम को देखते हैं कि वो क्या है. So what I have done is I have removed the walls. जैसे ही मैंने walls हटाए, मेरे पास एक खूबसूरत unpainted cube आ गया जिसका साइज है 4 by 4 by 4, which means 64 cubes. The size of this is 4 by 4 by 4. Now it is very much visible to all, and the total number of cubes in this case are 64, right? इस छुपे रुस्तम के ऊपर कोई भी पेंट नहीं है क्योंकि ये बच गया. पेंट तो बाहर वाली दीवारों पे था, right? So now with this concept we can go for certain generalizations and we can go for certain counting also. So let's count. Again there is a cube, कोई पेंट नहीं, साफ सुथरा क्यूब, और इसको हमने येलो कलर से पेंट कर दिया. डन. और अब हम दोबारा से जनरलाइजेशन की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं. फर्स्टली वी आर पिकिंग क्यूब्स at the corners. There are 8 corners, 8 cubes, 8 corner pieces mentioned now, and they have got 3 colored faces, right? Corner cubes, 8 corner pieces are there, and they have got 3 colored faces. इनके 3 faces पे color है, जैसा हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Moving ahead, moving on to the second variety. The second variety is of those cubes which are lying on the edges. These are 48. Why so? 12 edges are there, 4 on each edge, total is 48. और इनके कितने फेस पेंटेड है? इनके सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 फेस पेंटेड है, 2 colored faces. Moving on to third variety. The third variety is on the face, that is 4 by 4 right now. You can see 16 on one face. कुल कितने faces हैं? 6. तो 16 into 6 means total कितना बन गया अपने पास? That is 96. So 96 middle pieces are there and they have got only one face painted. So that is also done. Moving on to one colored face, that is no colored face. So shattering the wall, and we have got a beautiful cube which is 4 by 4 by 4, 64 cubes, and they have got no paint. These are known as core of the cube, and they have got no colored face. I hope this is clear to most of you. इसमें किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आना चाहिए. So we can try now lot many questions in concern to cubes, where a cube is normally painted and then it is broken down into smaller pieces. So if I have to frame this question, what I will say is, I have got a cube, I have painted all 6 faces, then I am cutting that cube into 6 by 6 by 6. So I have got 216 pieces. Tell me how many have got no colored face, means कितने ऐसे cubes हैं जिन पे कोई paint नहीं है. So my answer will be 64, which is currently visible. Similarly, if I ask you how many such cubes are there which have got only one colored face, so they are 96 in number. If I ask you how many cubes are there which have got 2 colored faces, so my answer will be 48 such pieces are there. If I ask you how many cubes are there which have got 3 colored faces, so it is very much visible. They are the corner pieces, 8 corner pieces, right? I hope you all must be enjoying. तो फटाफट से आप लाइक क्लिक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं, और रोज आइए पजल बॉक्स में पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए और अपना मेंटल एबिलिटी इंप्रूव कीजिए, बिकॉज दिस इज द कोर ऑफ मेनी एग्जामिनेशंस, एंड द स्पेशल एग्जामिनेशन इज एनटीएससी, नेशनल टैलेंट सर्च एग्जामिनेशन, जिसमें हाफ ऑफ द पेपर 100 क्वेश्चंस are from mental ability, and cubes is one of the variety which is considered to be the most difficult. Every day in puzzle box we shall be discussing one good concept, few puzzles, and we shall be talking and chatting also, right? So let's move ahead to the counting. So done with the 64 core pieces which have got no colored face. So we are done with this 6 by 6 by 6 cube. Let's consolidate that. भाई टाइप्स ऑफ क्यूब्स और नंबर ऑफ कलर्ड फेसेस और नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स तीनों को ऐड करके देखते हैं बनता क्या है. सबसे पहले है कॉर्नर पीसेस विच हैव गॉट 3 फेस पेंटेड, दे आर 8 इन नंबर. देन एज पीसेस जो एज में पड़े हुए हैं सारे के सारे, इनके 2 फेस पेंटेड हैं और ये 48 हैं. तीसरे हैं मिडल पीसेस जो कि फेसेस पे थे आपके पास, इनका सिर्फ एक फेस पेंट है, दे आर 96 इन नंबर. एंड देन वी हैव गॉट कोर पीसेस जो अंदर छुपे बैठे हमारे छुपे रुस्तम, राइट? ये छुपे रुस्तम जो हैं कितने हैं? दैट इज दे आर 64 इन नंबर और इनका कोई फेस पेंटेड नहीं. नाउ इफ यू विल ऐड ऑल दीज इन, अगर आप इन सबको ऐड करें सारे के सारे, तो दिस शुड बी 16, तभी हमारा आंसर सही होगा. एंड यू कैन चेक दैट इज 6 and 4 10, एंड दिस इज 160 and to 160 you add 48 and 8, you will end up at that is 16. Now moving on to the generalization, that is कॉर्नर पीसेस. इफ इट्स अ नॉर्मल क्यूब और आप उसके टुकड़े कर रहे हैं, तो कॉर्नर पीसेस 8 होंगे, उनके 3 फेस होंगे, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है. देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट, सो नो जनरलाइजेशन. मूविंग ऑन टू, इफ आई टॉक ऑफ एज पीसेस जो एजेस में पड़े हैं, अभी मैंने आपको बताया किसी भी एज में टॉप एंड बॉटम क्यूब काउंट नहीं होता. तो दैट मीन्स अगर एज में n क्यूब्स हैं तो सिर्फ n-2 क्यूब्स काउंट होते हैं उस एज के, और एजेस कितनी है? 12. तो टोटल कितने क्यूब्स हो गए? 12 into n-2. मूविंग ऑन टू द थर्ड वैरायटी, दैट इज मिडल पीसेस. अब मिडल पीसेस फेस में आए थे, हमारे केस में 4 by 4 था. भाई फेस 6 by 6 था और उसमें से जो हमने सिलेक्ट किया वो 4 by 4 था. दैट मीन्स क्या जर्नलाइजेशन आया? इफ देयर इज n by n क्यूब, तो फेस विल बी ऑफ n by n, पर हमारे काम का दैट इज मिडल पीस विल बी दैट इज n-2. उसका साइज लेफ्ट और राइट से एक क्यूब कम हो जाएगा, तो n से बन जाएगा n-2. सो दैट विल बी n-2 स्क्वायर. तो हर फेस से n-2 का स्क्वायर मिलेगा. कितने फेसेस हैं? 6 फेसेस हैं, तो फॉर्मूला विल बी 6 into n-2 का होल स्क्वायर. मूविंग ऑन टू द कोर पीसेस, छुपे रुस्तम, उनको जनरलाइज करें. अब ये जो छुपा रुस्तम है ये भी बड़ा सिंपल है. आपने बाहर वाली वॉल हटा दी, one from this side, one from that side. So that means the earlier size of 6 got reduced to 4. ये हमने अभी देखा था. So if the size is n and you are removing 2 cubes from 2 sides, the resulting side will be n minus 2. तो जो cube बनेगा वो n minus 2 का बनेगा. तो net resultant will be n minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 2. That is, core pieces will be n minus 2 का whole cube. But what is n here? N is the number of cubes placed on each edge. I hope it is clear to most of you. What you can do at your end is, ये जो 4 generalization आपके सामने लिखी हैं, the first one with 8, second with 12 into n minus 2, third with 6 into n minus 2 का whole square, fourth with n minus 2 का whole cube. अगर आप इन सबको ऐड कर दे, the resultant will be n cube, that is 216. So that will further verify this. आप ये काम कर सकते हैं once you are done with this lecture. So I hope सबने एक कंसेप्ट अच्छे से सीखा. हमने क्यूब को डिवाइड किया. क्यूब का साइज 6x6 था. उसके अंदर एक कोर निकला छुपा रुस्तम जिसका साइज 4x4 था. उसके अंदर कॉर्नर पीसेस थे जो 8 थे. उसके अंदर एज पीसेस थे जो हर एज में 4 थे और टोटल 48 थे. फिर उसके बाद फेस के ऊपर पीसेस थे, राइट, दे वर 96 इन नंबर. उनका एक फेस पेंटेड था. अगर आपको ये कंसेप्ट समझ आ गया तो बिलीव मी बच्चे, you can solve any question of cube because this is the basic, this is the backbone. अगर आप इसको विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं, मैंने अच्छे से कोशिश की है कि आपका विजुअलाइजेशन बेटर हो जाए, फाइन. बट इन एग्जाम आपको ये खुद बना के देखना पड़ेगा, खुद चेक करना पड़ेगा. अगर बेसिक क्वेश्चन आया अ नॉर्मल पेंटेड क्यूब तो आप डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूलाज लगा सकते हैं. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग नाउ. आई होप यू ऑल आर क्लियर विद दिस, सो वी कैन प्रोसीड ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. Right? So what's the next thing? Let's explore that. अरे fantastic. मेरे पास अभी क्या था? That is, I was carrying a Rubik's cube. But यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे baby cubes हैं. That is, we have got 4 baby Rubik's cube and they have been fixed. तो बन गया एक puzzle. Well, it seems to be really difficult to solve this Rubik's cube puzzle, but we have got another question in concern to this. So let's explore that question. How many smaller cubes with 2 face painted are there? इस डायग्राम में कितने ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्यूब्स हैं जिनके सिर्फ 2 फेस पेंटेड है. अब इन पे कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि ये एक जेनरिक क्वेश्चन नहीं है. तो सोचिए फटाफट. राइट, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, अरे यार अगर इसको पकड़ के देख लेते, घुमा लेते तो सही होता. बट व्हाट यू नीड टू विजुअलाइज इज, if you will look from that side or this side, it will be same. ये इतना फैंटास्टिक स्ट्रक्चर है कि अगर आप इसको ब्रेन में विजुअलाइज करें तो you will realize looking from that side or looking from this side is one and the same thing. So the question is demanding how many smaller cubes are there with 2 face painted. जो मैं देख पा रहा हूं, well, this is something which has got 3 face painted because इस पे पिंक कलर भी है, स्काई ब्लू भी है, येलो भी है. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा अपना आइडिया चेंज किया, मैं इसके बगल वाले पे पहुंच गया, दिस वन. वेल, इन दिस केस ऑल्सो आई कैन सी 2 कलर्स आर विजिबल, द थर्ड इज एट द बैक. सो इसके भी 3 फेसेस पेंट हो गए. तो इफ आई विल प्रोसीड लाइक दिस, आई विल रियलाइज दैट आई एम अनएबल टू गेट एनी स्मॉलर क्यूब विद 2 फेस पेंटेड. सो द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज हाउ मेनी स्मॉलर क्यूब्स with 2 face painted are there? A very simple fantastic question. Answer is none. भाई कोई नहीं है. इस पूरे रूबिक्स क्यूब के पजल में कोई ऐसा क्यूब नहीं है जिसके 2 फेस पेंटेड हो. सो वी आर डन विद दिस. आई होप आपको सबको ये समझ आया होगा. इन केस you need to go through it, you can always come back, watch the lecture again and can have a better understanding. Now I am moving on to the next thing, that is how many smaller cubes with no face painted are there. That is the puzzle of the day. I repeat, how many smaller cubes with no face painted are there, but question क्या है? I repeat, how many smaller cubes with no face painted are there? And this is the puzzle. Now you can see a merged Rubik's cube. Rubik's cube होता है generally 3x3x3. But here you can see a different sort of building. It's not Antilla. ये Antilla मुकेश अंबानी की बिल्डिंग नहीं है. ये एक सिंपल सा प्यारा सा छोटा सा Rubik's cube है और उसका साइज बड़ा कर दिया गया है. Here you can see it measures 3 by 5 by 3. 3 by 3 by 5 हो गया. लेंथ बड़ी हो गई है, राइट. रोज बॉर्नविटा पीता था, बड़ा हो गया, राइट. अब he says how many smaller cubes with no face painted are there. That is the puzzle of the day. You have to post these answers in the comment box or in the chat box, right, once you go through this question. Now this is not at all a tough question. अगर आपको पिछले कंसेप्ट अच्छे से समझ आए हैं तो ये आपके लिए केक वॉक है. That is, it is one of the most simplest puzzle to solve. So I hope you all must have enjoyed this session of dissecting of cubes. We shall be continuing with cubes and we shall be solving lot many puzzles, brain teasers, riddles and NTSC questions. तो अभी तो गाड़ी शुरू हुई है, right guys? Come again, visit again. We will come up with a newer version of puzzle box. That will be the third session. So for this session I am closing this. I hope you all must have learned good facts in concern to good concepts in concern to cubes. So take care, stay at home, keep on learning at Vedantu. Bye and thank you very much. And keep on learning mental ability because that is the core of lot many competitive exams. Bye.